These are difficult times. The outbreak of the pandemic has posed enough challenges. Coupled with this is the heat wave and the locust attacks, which has left several parts of the country reeling. Rural India needs our support as villagers have been hit the hardest. The problem is no different at Soda village in Rajasthan. The former Sarpanch of Soda village, Chhavi Rajawat, has come up with an innovative idea through which people have an opportunity to adopt one family in the village. Rajawat, with her innovative ideas, was also the first Sarpanch with a business management degree in the country. Under her leadership, Soda has undergone a transformation. She is now raising funds to ensure the survival of 900 households. One India caught up with Chhavi to find out more. Anyone can adopt a family in Soda by logging on to villagesoda.com and donating there. Until now, 140 families have been adopted. While state and central governments claim they have transferred funds to the weaker sections to help them tide through the lockdown, then why did Rajawat have to take matters into her own hands?
कोशिश की है कि कम से कम अगर एक महीने के लिए भी इन 900 परिवारों को अगर मदद मिलती है, जो एक बहुत ही सिंपल चीज है, 3000 रुपए एक पूरे महीने का एक परिवार का खर्चा, अगर लोग ये सोच के हमारे परिवार को अडॉप्ट करते हैं तो इनकी जिंदगी में जो स्ट्रेस है, जो टेंशन है, वो थोड़ा कम हो सकता है.
The coronavirus pandemic, the heat wave and the locust outbreak has thrown the economy of the village out of gear, and who can understand that better than Chhavi Rajawat, who also has an MBA degree and is tuned into the ground realities of her village. She knows that many benefits of government schemes never reach people as they are completely unaware of the welfare measures.
पैसा आया है, परंतु आपको ये भी पता होगा कि जिस मात्रा में आया है उससे गांव में भी आज की तारीख में एक घर का खर्चा नहीं चल सकता है. 500 रुपये प्रति माह 3 महीने के लिए कुछ लोगों को मिल रहा है जिनके जॉब कार्ड है, उनको जिन्होंने 100 दिन पूरे कंप्लीट कर लिए हैं उनको 1000 रुपये मिले हैं. परंतु आज की तारीख में देखा जाए तो जो जॉइंट फैमिली सिस्टम है वो ग्रामीण क्षेत्र में अभी भी मेंटेन करते हैं लोग, और उससे देखते हुए और जो आज की तारीख में खर्चा है उसको देखते हुए ये कम पड़ता है. इसीलिए हम जो सपोर्ट सिस्टम क्रिएट कर रहे हैं.
We can build the country by building its villages, and surely this initiative begun by Rajawat will bear fruit. Many people across India have joined her effort to help the villagers of Soda. If you too wish to be a part of this, log on to villagesoda.com for all the details.